I mean, I don't know if it's a guy with a long white beard or anything, but I definitely believe it's him.
Yeah, totally. Hey, did you want to get some coffee for the movie?
No, I can't stand coffee shops. People there are always so pretentious.
No. What are you even going to see anyway?
It's this 3-hour documentary about Mexican corn farmers. It's subtitled.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's about how these corporations are buying up all their land to build baseball fields.
What's it called?
Campo de Esquinas.
It's not even open yet.
Episode 7? I didn't know they were making an episode 7.
Well, they haven't actually announced it yet, but when they do, I'm going to be the first person in line because you know what they say.
What do they say?
I don't know. I was kind of hoping you'd know.
Nerd. Why'd that guy just throw his drink at you?
Beats me. Hey, do you guys mind holding my spot while I go to the bathroom? Never mind.
What's the problem?
No, there's too long of a wait.
So, how long are you planning on waiting here?
As long as I have to. I've been waiting in line for 6 weeks already, and I am not leaving until I see a new Star Wars movie. I've even started up an online blog to chronicle the event. See, there we are. Say hi.
Hi!
People actually watch this?
You'd be surprised. I've gotten over 16,000 hits just today.
Are you Joey Jackson?
Yeah.
Stuart Murphy, 20th Century Fox. We'd like to turn your story into a movie.
Awesome.
Who's gonna watch a movie about a guy waiting in line?
And you are?
I'm Claire.
Claire, I saw you on Joey's webcam, and I think you have just what it takes to become a big star in Hollywood.
Talent?
Oh, that's rich. No, I was talking about your breasts.
Oh.
Just sign here, please.
You guys are gonna stay faithful to the true story, right?
Oh, of course.
Freak.
Oh, Joseph, was waiting in that queue worth it?
Thought I was waiting in line for a movie. Turns out I was waiting for you.
Oh, Joseph.
They don't make them like that anymore.
I thought the book was better.
Well, shall we go?
Yes. Let's go.